Imagine being just 14 years old and tasked with composing a full-scale opera for one of Italy's most prestigious theaters. This was the challenge facing Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart in 1770. Imagine being just 14 years old and tasked with composing a full-scale opera for one of Italy's most prestigious theaters. This was the challenge facing Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart in 1770, when he received a commission to write Mitridate, Re di Ponto, for the Teatro Regio Ducal in Milan, with libretto by Vittorio Amedocini Santi, an Italian guy who adapted the text from a French play by Jean Racine. This tells the story of Mitridate VI, an ancient king of Pontus who fought against Roman domination in the 1st century BC. Young Mozart, already famous as a child prodigy, had been traveling across Europe with his dad Leopold, performing before kings and aristocrats. The Italian tour was meant to immerse him in the heart of the operatic world, but in Milan, Mozart wasn't just there to listen, he was there to prove himself. Mitridate was an opera seria, a serious form of opera known for its dramatic themes and elaborate arias. For Mozart, it was a daunting opportunity to show he could compete with the best composers of his day. From the start, Mozart had to navigate challenges far beyond his years. He faced seasoned singers, each with huge personalities and specific demands. The lead role of Mitridate, the ambitious king, was given to Guglielmo de Torre, a prominent tenor with a reputation for being difficult. And like the other singers, de Torre wanted his role to shine. He could barely sing it. Mozart kept everyone happy and ensured the music showcased their talents. It was no small task for a teenager. During the rehearsals, the pressure would mount. Mozart would quickly rewrite arias, sometimes overnight, to satisfy the demands of these singers. And his adaptability combined with his charm won over even these tough critics in the cast. He had an uncanny ability to balance egos while crafting beautiful music that pushed the boundaries of the genre. Finally, in December 1770, Mitridate premiered. The Milanese audience, known for its high standards, was captivated by the young composer's work. The opera, running for 21 performances, was a major success. He had done it. He had triumphed. The success of Mitridate was bigger than just a triumph for Mozart. It was the beginning of his career as a serious opera composer, and at just 14 he had proven he could handle the pressures of a major commission, win over demanding singers, charm a tough audience. His sheer genius shone through on every note. Mozart wasn't just a brat prodigy, he was a force to be reckoned with, a composer ready to redefine the world of opera. And so from the triumph of that Milanese stage, the legend of Mozart began to take shape, a young genius who would go on to change the face of music forever.
Oh